Today on Nooner Garage, I'm going to be remaking the exhaust that was torn out by my drive shaft when that got twisted up last week. And hopefully we'll get a call from the driveline shop. What is it? Dynamic Drive Lines, I believe. Mike over there is fixing me up with a new drive shaft, and hopefully we get a call from them today and it's fixed as well. So stay tuned. So this is what we're getting into today. This is what's left of my Summit 3-inch. It's kind of a Borla type. It's a straight through design, cross drilled, stainless steel muffler with our welded series, I believe. So that got squished quite a bit. There's a ding in the pipe, so I'll probably use this for some shorter sections. You know, up and over the rear end and stuff like that. Got the new mufflers here. Same ones as the ones that were on the truck. I like how it sounded. Let's see. I believe they're 16-inch case, 20-inch overall. Welded series mufflers from Summit Racing. Let's see, you got some 90-degree bends. And down in here, these are Spicer brand drivetrain products. They're the straps that go for the rear yoke on the U-joint, since those were destroyed when the drive shaft came twisting out. Also had to clean up the edges a little bit. It dinged this one pretty good, but filed it flat, so everything will, that yoke is totally usable. So we'll get that put back on, and then, like I said earlier, hopefully the drive shaft shop will call us today. So